Welcome to this another exciting video in Market Talk YouTube channel. Today I am going to present you how the power of 2 strategy can be used for option buying and how to screen for stocks. A very important and very exciting PPT is going to be. Let's jump into the topic. Please listen carefully to the entire document. Don't miss anything. You will be missing a lot if even you skip for even 1 minute. Okay. Please watch carefully. First start with the chart setup. What is the chart setup for this strategy? So I am focusing on the option buying. Separate video I will make it for option selling. Time frame is 2 minutes. 2 minutes chart is available in all your trading platforms like Zerodha or Upstocks, whatever. But the chart setup can be saved in Zerodha only. Others is not possible to save. Or you can try tradingview.com where you have to take a subscription. Okay, and the next setup is short term simple moving average is 20 period, long term simple moving average is 200 period moving average. Normal candlestick, no Heikin Ashi or any other Renko, nothing, just simple candlestick only. And a booster setup can be adding Ichimoku cloud, only the cloud, nothing else. No Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, nothing. Okay, only the Ichimoku cloud, nothing else. So this is the 5 setup things. Basically, candlestick is nothing, a normal one. So this setup you have to keep it. I am going to show you with examples also how it is going to be useful, how we can make the buying also. But you may get say 2 to 3 opportunities in a week for sure in Nifty Bank Nifty. But once you are thorough with this setup and become master, then nobody can stop you. Now how to apply this strategy for the real case scenario? First you do paper trading, skip 1 or 2 trades if you want, but take note of the strategy, do a paper trading for at least once, twice, thrice till you get comfortable and do some back testing of strategy, and then you can start doing the real trades. This is not a holy grail strategy that as though like this trade strategy you take it and no loss at all, nothing like that. 80 to 85% accuracy can be expected in this strategy. And you can try this on any instrument, no like forex or stocks or forex commodities, anything you can try on this. There is no restriction. When you are trying with Nifty Bank Nifty, you have to do coordinative effect. When you are going for Nifty or Bank Nifty, both should give the same signal. Then only you have to enter into the index in Nifty Bank Nifty. In case of other instruments like any index stock, like for example any component of Bank Nifty you want to enter, then you have to know what is the Bank Nifty signal. That is important. If Bank Nifty is having selling signal and any buy signal in other stock components, then you should not go for a buy in the stock. That's what important. If Nifty is down, other stocks, any one stock giving a buy signal, you should go for a buy in the stock. So what are the index is giving a signal, look for same signal in the components also, Nifty 50 stocks. Okay, that is important. When signal is giving buy signal generated, the price is moving on the downside. Okay, it could be fake signal. Similarly, when a sell signal is generated and the price is moving up, then it could be a fake signal. So this is what you have to take care. This happens rarely, but when the price is consolidating after a big move, run up 2-3%, then this can happen. So this is what you have to take care. It's not that after a buy signal you made 3% up move seen and immediately you see a sell signal, the market will keep moving down way. It doesn't happen. This is a rare case. So after a big up move, wait for the day. If one day is finished, one trade is finished, then don't take second trade in that day if you get, because most of times it will take the money what you earned in the first trade. Okay, so take one trade. If you are getting good money, just close your laptop and happily enjoy the money what you earned. Next, option buying. What setup you should see, what conditions you should satisfy. As a call option buyer, ensure that the instrument, your spot Nifty or Bank Nifty, both should give a crossover. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty should give a crossover of 20 simple moving average to 200 simple moving average in the 2 minute chart. It's not days. 20 day simple moving average is not that. 20 simple moving average in the 2 minute chart. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty should give a buy signal, then look for the buying opportunity in the call options. And similarly, the buy signal most of times 80 to 90% of time will give above the Ichimoku cloud or just below the Ichimoku cloud. That is very important. Hope everybody knows about Ichimoku cloud. If you don't know, then you can just browse it. and you will know about this. Similarly, if you want to buy a put option, the same condition, Nifty and Bank Nifty should give a sell signal when 20 simple moving average you should cross over the 200 simple moving average, and the crossover happen near the Ichimoku cloud or slightly below the Ichimoku cloud. That's the time you get a sell signal is more powerful, and this is what you have to see the small conditions for option buying, whether call option or put option. This is one example, recent example I am showing. On 16 July, we got a buy signal in Bank Nifty around 2 o'clock, 2:05. Okay, and in case of Nifty, we got a buy signal 2:35. Most of times, buy signal or sell signal both will give you coordinatorily only. It's not that one give yesterday and today another give to next day, nothing like that. Within 60 minutes maximum, 60 to 90 minutes maximum. 90 minutes too late, 60 minutes itself you will get a signal both. So we got both the signal just 30 minutes late delayed. Once we got signal above the Ichimoku cloud, just we got near the Ichimoku cloud. This is the time you get the signal, and you buy a call option. See what happened. You just check for the price. What if you can track this? Just see the price movement what you got in 16 July call option. Next, on 15 July, when you got sell signal here around 2:30 to 2:40, both you got sell signal same time. Nifty, Bank Nifty, buying put option. See the movement what you got in the spot, and what you got the appreciation in the put prices, unimaginable. Around 400 points in the spot means you will get almost triple the money what you got at the money. Don't go for too much out of the money, just try to get at the money. After signal, buying at the money put options in this time is not a problem at all. If you see just below the Ichimoku cloud we got the sell signal. Next, another example, yesterday's on this Friday, this means Friday. See, if you see here we are about to get a sell signal here in Bank Nifty, but we not got sell signal. If you see here, it came here touch and go, it just moved up because we not got what I mentioned, both should give a sell signal or a buy signal. Here we not got any sell signal here. If you got even sell signal here, Nifty should have come down, then only we got a sell signal. So you have to be very, very careful. Don't buy in advance that I will get a put at a very low price. Don't buy in advance. This also can happen. But in this case, the conditions are satisfied. The condition of the signal coming below the Ichimoku cloud or near the Ichimoku cloud does not happen. Both should happen. Okay, this is the one scenario. So don't go and in advance buy something which is expecting the signal will come. That is not going to happen. This is one example that it can cheat you. It's not given. If you see even Bank Nifty is not given signal. It just came here and went up. Nifty has not given signal. If both is given signal, you should have gone for a sell, buying puts. Okay. So this one thing you have to take care. So I have given 3 examples which is very good in explaining the complete scenario of how Nifty, Bank Nifty happens. You can do the backtesting of this and understand how the Nifty and Bank Nifty behaves in this power of 2 strategy. How to implement strategy? For anybody who want to start with strategy, can start with Nifty. Is the more ideal. Bank Nifty also can be a second choice, but Nifty could be a first choice. If you get a signal, because Nifty is very, very strong and the movement can be very good. Because the amount of risk can be very less. If you go for 1 lot, 2 lots and buying for 75 quantity, it's not going to hurt you so much. In case of the backtesting, you just visually go through that how both Nifty, Bank Nifty gave a signal, buy signal, sell signal coordinatively. Then you'll understand the past 720 days. Since Nifty is very, very strong, it is not giving fake signals. In case of Bank Nifty, it is giving fake signals. So that's where you have to be careful, because but that's the reason I told you, you have to be doing a buying or selling whatever trade trigger based on both the signals from Nifty and Bank Nifty together, not only one. If you're getting only one signal from Nifty only, Bank Nifty is not giving signal, then you should not go for it. It can trap you. So exact setup you have to be careful, and then you enter. Don't hurry barely, you just go and enter the trade. And there is when you're buying option, okay, please don't go for futures buying or selling. It can trap you. It can be loss, making big loss in case there are only market traps. Otherwise, you buy for example, you're shorting futures and buying a put, it can trap you in case of costing for the put. You buy a put and it can cost you. So don't go for futures and all hedging and all. You go for plain vanilla call buying or put buying only. So I will show you what is the option chart setup also you should keep it, and what should be stop loss in the next slide. Normally, whenever you get a buy signal or sell signal, 3% move average on an average. It can be 4% slightly more or 2.5% slightly less, but most of times when a move buy signal comes, 3% up move in the spot price. I'm telling spot price, can happen. In the options it could be 100% or 50% also. So I'm not telling about option price, I'm telling for the spot, the base instrument. 3% movement can come. I'll show you some examples also how 3% move, you can check yourself also. And if you get a buy signal and the prices moving below 200 moving average, when the buy signal comes, when 20 simple moving average gone up about 200 simple moving average and the price is moving down 200, because when the prices get supported 200 simple moving average, if doesn't get at the support and start breaking down, it could be a fake signal, and then look for some reversal also. So that you can have a stop loss there also, and also when you're buying option, I'll tell you where stop loss can have. What is the option chart setup? So there also keep 2 minutes time frame, keep volume candle. In the studies you can tell volume candle, in the candle type you can select volume candle and select VWAP and select 50 period moving average in the 2 minutes chart, okay, and volume profile. So you can do all these things, you can select in the Zerodha studies, you can see exactly same names I given, you can select all these things. The stop loss, once you start any option buyer, the problem faced by option buyer is, for example, they buy 50 rupees, it goes to 80, 100, 200, whatever. Where is stop loss? When I have to exactly come out? That's the question. So the answer is 20 period moving average. One candle formation with a decent volume, or even one full candle formation below 20 period moving average is a very clear indication of your stop loss. Exit there immediately and don't see again. That's it. Look for another new signal. That's it. Don't go into the trade again and get stuck. One full candle formation and the next candle also going below that can be indication that the trade is over. This is one example of a 10,900 call. You can see the red line is your moving a 20 moving average. The VWAP is the black line. Once you got a signal about 20 moving average and 50 moving average, then started moving up, and if you see here the price came down here, no single candle formation happened below 20 moving average, and then price started moving. Don't come under panic, and because you have support VWAP. VWAP is a big support and 50 moving average is another support. So both supports should be broken for going down below this. So it could be a fake. So coming down, it could be a fake, and people weak hands can be exiting. So 20 moving average is support, hold it and ride the wave. See, you bought around 50 rupees, around, assume here as a conservative you bought here 60, or after confirmation you bought around 65. It doubled in less than 1.5 hours. Okay, so once you get to double the price what you bought, and they should be very happy, and don't expect even it goes 200 rupees, don't bother, because option buyer can never be happy, because the return is unlimited, but the loss can be also unlimited because it can become zero. So when you get double the price in 1.5 hours, the return is, you are beating even Warren Buffett. So don't be bothered about it, and have very less quantity, 2 lots, 3 lots in the beginning. Maybe you start with 2 lots only, maybe in the beginning, and that is the ideal way, because when you buy for 50-60 rupees, it will not go up zero the same, because it's not expiry day. So even 20 rupees if you are losing, 3000 rupees will be the loss. And VWAP, when the price goes below VWAP, it's a signal that it is a fake signal, and you can come out immediately. Your loss cannot be more than 10 points also. So that's the way you can protect your capital. Don't wait that, okay, I got a signal, I'm expecting the move will come, because power of 2 also is there. Based on power of 2 only you're taking trade here, you're not taking independently this trade. Don't buy call or put just because of some reason. Anything you buy here only based on power of 2 strategy only. Okay, so I'll just show you if you want to screen for stocks, Nifty 50 stocks which is satisfying the chart, the power of 2 strategy, charting.com is the best website at a reasonable cost. It is around 780 rupees per month. It's really worth it. I'll just show you some examples of how power of 2 strategy worked for the stocks that performed on Friday. If you just see here, you can get a dashboard. You can make a dashboard like this. Automatically the stocks get updated in the real time. Power of 2, what is the buy? Power of 2, what is the sell? What are stocks you want to come buy in signal, sell signal? You will get automatically. You can take a trade every in the real time. Will get updated. So that's the beauty of this website. I like this website very much. I'm using this. If you see what are the stocks that gained on Friday, BPCL 12.4%. Just see here what is the signal which we got on Thursday itself. BPCL we got the signal on when here if you see the signal we got on 16 July 12:27. 12:27 we got signal, there is no whipsaw at all. It's a clear biased signal. After that we reached almost 442. Once we got the signal here at the time 12 around 368, the price is of almost 400 call was almost 10 rupees something. You can just check, I don't want to tell now here, you can check for you. And similarly see for ONGC, GAIL, all the stocks you can go for this. It's a very, the first top 5 stocks you see, a very clear signal given on 16th itself, Thursday itself. Similarly, all the stocks which are sellers, losers, Hindalco will just go for some sample check of a sell signal. Hindalco, if you see here, we got a sell signal. We got a sell signal on Friday itself. Friday only we got sell signal 1325. What is sell signal trade? Tried to 166. 166 we got a low of almost 161. 161 divided by 166 is almost 3.1%. I told you 3%, correct? So whenever you sell and you get 3% up move or down move order from the signal, sell signal, so 3% down move is the ideal time to exit. If you see here, after making this low of 3%, it started moving up. Similarly, you see a buy signal 164, it made a top of 169. So 164 minus 5 rupees, no, 5 rupees gain, 164. You got 3% gain. So 3% gain from the signal. So 3% is very ideal signal, the target. So once you reach the 3% target, you sometimes it can, like Britannia, if you got signal, it went up 4.5%. So don't bother about that. 3% if you get, you are very happy, the ideal time to exit. Another 1.5% is not a problem. Or you can trail your stop loss. So this way the power of strategy works for option buying. Hope everybody liked the video. Please subscribe, like the channel. I'll bring out more videos on option selling also, and more good strategies that can help you as a trader and be successful. Thank you.